Ni hao, ni hao ma, wohan hao, ni na, woyahan hao. So welcome to my Chinese language club, which we are running under the umbrella of A Square. Okay, so today we have a basic conversation of Chinese language again, because we have a lot of videos which we have already delivered, which we have already downloaded in the YouTube channel. So today, obviously, because with the help of these, you will come to know, at least the moment you will watch this video, you will come to the concept of Chinese language. So what you have to do is, the moment you will open the link of this video, you have to go in the description also, because you will come to know the vocabulary part also, right? So let's speak after me. First we have a vocab portion, then we have a conversation. Speak up. Chang. Chang is often, basically Chang. Speak up. Chang. Tian Ying. Speak up. Tian Ying. Tian Ying is your film. Speak up. Chang is to often, and Tian Ying is to film. Tu Shu Quan. Speak up. Tu Shu Quan. Tu Shu Quan is your library. Speak up. Yue Lanshed. Yue Lanshed. Yue Lanshed is your reading room. Is that clear to you? Chie. Chie is my vocab to borrow. Y1 is your foreign language. Speak up. Y1. Chie is to borrow. Huan is to return. The moment you will take it something, as in borrow, that is Chie. And Huan is to return. Yue Lanshed is your reading room. Y1 is your foreign language. Xiao Shuo. Xiao Shuo is your novel. Xiao Shuo. Ichi. Ichi is altogether. Chir. Chir is only. Huan is to return. Run Yuan. So run yuan is your personal. So personal, we have we have a personal, we have staffing basically. Tongcher is your comrade. Xie is some. Speak up. Xie is some. Anqing is to keep quiet. Chang is to often. Chie shu chang is your library card. Shuming. Speak up. Shuming is your title of the book. Mulu, speak up. Mulu is your catalogs. Richie is your date, and Xingming is your full name. Xingming. So whatever vocab I used, it is already there in the description box, right? So I'm going to repeat the vocab one more time. It is very important to have this vocabulary. Chang is to often. Tian Ying is to film. So what if I'm saying Tian Ying, so you have to go in the description, like what is the pinyin basically of Tian Ying, right? The Dianying, Tian Ying, the sound is the Tian Ying, right? Tu Shu Quan is your library. Chie is my vocab to borrow. Y1 is your foreign language. Xiao Shuo is my novel. Ichi is altogether. Chir is only. Huan is return. Run Yuan is your personal. Tong Chir is your comrade. Xie is some. Anqing is keep quiet. Chang is often. Chie Shu Chang. Speak up. Chie Shu Chang is your library card. Okay. Shuming. Speak up. Shuming is basically your title of the book. Mulu is your catalog. Richie is date, and Xingming is full name. Is that clear to you? So let's go for a conversation. If I'm saying, where are you going? Ni chu nar. If I'm saying ni chu nar, you will say wo chu tu shu quan. Ni chu nar, wo chu tu shu quan. Wo chu. Understand the concept. Wo I, chu is my vocab to go, and tu shu quan is my library. If I'm saying I am going to the library, wo I, chu is go, and tu shu quan is your library. If I'm saying ni chu nar, ni is you, chu is go, nar is where. Ni chu nar, where are you going? You will say wo chu tu shu quan, I am going to the library. Ni chu pu chu, you are going or not? Ni chu, you go. Pu is not, chu, you go or not? Wo ye chu, I am going also. Wo ye is my vocab to also. Wo ye chu, I am also going. Woman ichi chu, ichi is all together. Woman, we all. Ichi, all together. Chu, we all together go. Okay. How ma, very good. How ma, oh good. Ni chang, chu tu shu quan ma. Ni chang, ni is you. Chang is often. Chu is my vocab to go. Tu shu quan is my library, and ma is my question particle. So what I'm saying, so it is already there in the description. Ni chang, chu tu shu quan ma. Speak up. Ni chang, chu tu shu quan ma. It means ni chang chu tu shu quan ma is you often go to the library. Maybe. Do you often go to the library? I'm raising a question. Do you? Ni chang chu tu shu quan ma. Ma is my question particle. So the chang chu often go. Simple. Chang chu often go. Ni ya chang chu ma. You also. Ni ya is also. Here is also near Changchuma. You also often go to the library. You also often to go. Wo pu Changchu. Wo pu Changchu. Wo I pu. Not often go. Pu is my vocab to know. Wo pu Changchu. I often do not go. Wo chie shu. I borrow the book. He's saying I do not go to the library. I borrow the book. So I already conveyed you. Chie is my vocab to borrow. Wo chie shu. Wo chie shu is I borrow the book. Ye huan shu. Also, huan is my vocab to return. Ye huan shu also return the book. Tu shu quan chir yo tu shu quan. Tu shu quan is my library. Tu shu quan chir. Chir is my vocab to only. Tu shu quan chir yo chong one. Speak up. Chong one. Speak up. Chong one. Chong one. So he's saying tu shu quan library. Chir is only, yo is also, yo is to have, yo is also, yo is to have. Chongwon is Chinese and Xiao Shuo is your novel. So the English is library is only have Chinese novels. So library is only have Chinese novels. So how will speak in Chinese? Tu Shu Quan library, Chir is only, yo is to have. Okay, Chongwon, speak up. Chongwon. Chongwon is Chinese and Xiao Shuo is your novel. So I'm saying Tu Shu Quan Chir Yo Chongwon Xiao Shuo. It means what? Tu Shu Quan is my library. Tu Shu Quan Chir Yo only. Okay, Chongwon Chinese Xiao Shuo. So you will say Tu Shu Quan Chir Yo Chongwon Xiao Shuo. Mai yo y1 xiao shuo. Mai we already have done. Mai is my vocab to know. Not have. Mai yo y1 is your foreign language. Y1 foreign language. Novel is your xiao shuo. Ma is again my question particle. So he's saying the library do not have the foreign language novels. Do not have. Mai yo. Mai is no. Yo is to have. Mai yo Y1 foreign language. Xiao Shuo novel ma. Question particle. Mai yo Y1 Xiao Shuo ma. Speak up. Mai yo. Speak up please. Mai yo Y1. Mai yo Y1 Xiao Shuo ma. Did you understand the concept? See, I'm saying the library is only having the Chinese dictionary. Tu Shu Quan library. Chir is only yo Chongwon Xiao Shuo. Mai yo not have Y1 foreign language. Xiao Shuo is my novel and ma is my question particle. Mai yo Y1 Xiao Shuo ma. The next is Pu nar pu. Pu is not. Nar yo Chongwon Xiao Shuo. Not nar yo have Chongwon Chinese. Xiao Shuo is my novel. Then he will say Ye yo also have Y1 Xiao Shuo. Also have Ye yo Y1. Y1 is my foreign language. Xiao Shuo. Ye yo also have Y1 foreign language. Xiao Shuo. That's basically we have Xiao Shuo is your novel. Cheshir Yue Lan. Cheshir Yue Lan Shir. Cheshir. This is a reading room. Yue Lan Shir, we already have done the reading room. So if I'm saying this is a reading room, Cheshir Yue Lan Shir. Char yo Chongwon Sa Chir. Char yo, this is Char yo, this is one. This is one have Chongwon Chinese magazine. This is Char yo, this one, this person has. Matlab, see, we have, it means Char yo, Char, this one. Char yo Chongwon Sachir. Okay, this one has a Chinese magazine. Ye yo Y1 Sachir. Also have Ye yo Y1 Sachir. It means also have the foreign language magazine. Ika Shuesheng. Very important. Ika Shuesheng 1. Ka is my particle. Shui Shang is my student. One is my question. One is my answer. Okay. Ka one, student Shui Shang one. Kong Suo. We already have wrapped up the previous vocabulary. Kong Suo is my staff, work. Kong Suo, run yuan. So it means Ka one Shui Shang student ask Kong Suo run yuan. Run yuan is your personal. Tongcher is your comrade. Charyo Ingwan, this is Ingwan Sachir Ma. This is English magazine kya? This is English language magazine. So is this an English language magazine? Charyo, this one. Charyo Ingwan. You know what is Ingwan? Ingwan we already have done English language. Ingwan Sachir is your magazine. Charyo Ingwan Sachir Ma. Charyo Ingwan Sachir Ma. Is this an English dictionary? Yo, Cha Xie Tuo Shi Ingwan Sachir. This is some, Tuo is all, Tuo, Tu, Cha Shi Tu, Shir Tu. Tu is all. Cha Shir, this is Xie is some. So I'm saying Cha Xie, okay, I will not use Cha Shir, I will use Cha Xie, okay. Cha Xie is some, this is some, Tu, all, Shir is MR, Ingwan English, and Sachir is my magazine, Sachir. So I'm saying Cha Xie Tu, Shir, Ingwan Sachir. Na Xie, it is very important to understand all the concept. So I'm saying Na Xie, that Xie is some, Ya also to Shir Ingwan Sachir Ma. Over here we have Ingwan Sachir Ma. It is this in English. This is some all the English magazine. Shirta. Yes, Shirta. You will say yes, Shirta. Speak up. Shirta. Yes. Na Xie Ya tu Shir Ingwan Sachir. Na Xie, that is some. Also Ya tu is all. Shir Ingwan is English magazine Sachir. Na Xie Shir Shin Sachir. Very good to understand. See, all vocab we have done. Na Xie, that some. Na Xie, that some. Shir is MR. Shin is my vocab to new. So if I'm saying that is some new magazines. So na speak up. Na Xie, na Xie some. Shir is MR. Na, see, very important to understand. Na Xie Shir. Shin is my vocab to new and such in a magazine. It's a bit complicated because this is something like a higher level. So it is just I am trying to explain you. Na, if you repeat after me. Na Xie Shir Shin Sachir. Na Xie Shir. Na is my dad. Xie is my some. Shir is my MR. Shin is my new and such in a magazine. So I'm saying Na Xie Shir Shin Sachir. Cha Xie Shir Shin Sachir. Cha Xie, speak up. Cha, okay, this. Xie is my vocab to some, okay, some. Shir is my vocab to is MR, and Shin is my vocab to new. Shin, Chiu is my old, Shin is new, we have done Sachir. So he's saying Cha Xie Shir Shin Sachir. Cha Xie Shir Shin Sachir. Ni Khan, speak after me. Ni Khan. Khan is my vocab to look. So if I'm saying Ni Khan na pan. Pan, we have a particle which we use for a book, as already explained to you. Ni Khan na pan. Ni Khan na pan. Speak after me. Ni Khan na pan. So Ni Khan na pan is basically your Khan is my verb to look. Ni Khan na pan. You look at the book. Wo Khan chirpan. I look at this one book. Wo Khan, I look chirpan. This book, this one book. Pan is my particle. Yue Lanshir Han An Chen. Speak up. Yue Lanshir, reading room Han, very. Yue Lanshir, speak up. Yue Lanshir Han An Chen. An Chen is my vocab to keep quiet. Ye Han Kan Ching. Kan Ching we have done in the previous chapter, that is my vocab to clean. So if I'm saying Yue Lanshir, the reading room is very clean. Yue Lanshir Han An Chen. is very sorry, Kanching is my clean and Anching is my keep quiet. So if I'm saying the reading room is very quiet, very sincere, because in a library it's very silence. So I'm saying the reading room is very quiet. What say? Yue Lanshir Han Anching. Yahan Kanching. Okay. Shui Shangman. Shui Shang is your student and Shui Shangman is your students. Shui Shang is your student, Shui Shang, and Shui Shang Man is your student, Shui Shang Man Chang Chang Chu Yue Lan Share. Shui Shang is your student. So what is Shui Shang Man? Man is my plural felix, right? So Shui Shang Man Chang Chang often Chu go to the Yue Lan Share reading room. Is that clear to you? So that how the vocabulary works basically. So what you have to do is whatever I used, in the vocab and the conversation, you have to go in the description box also. So at least if I'm saying Yue Lanchir Han Anching, Yue Lanchir Han Kanching clean, okay, Shui Shangman students Chang Chang Chu Yue Lanchir often go to the reading room. Is that clear to you? Okay. Tonglama. Do you understand? Tongla. Waiter. Sai Chien.